Millen from AV King. We've got this wireless click share hooked up at the moment, as you can see, to the display. This is a multi-use space. They also have these microphones in this room. Test, test. And we also have the ability to cast through the TV. So the audio system at the moment can run obviously off the laptop. I can start my music there and adjust the volume through the laptop, through the click share. And that's coming via that TV, or if you're wanting to do something with an iPhone or iPad, you can just connect to the TV, and the way we've got that set up, you can have your music run through the speakers in the room via that method. That one just required a code there from the TV for the first connect, so that's 8456. So I can control my music through the system. That's mirrored up on the screen, or I can use the wireless HDMI from my laptop. I can use the microphones, and as I mentioned, this room is quite large, as you can see there. And that was able to be run with a couple of these Yamaha amps, and we've got one of these volume control master controls in the office for the staff. AV King, if you'd like any demonstrations of any of this equipment. Thank you.